What is going on, guys? It's Jay, by the way, and today we are going to unbox the new Yeezy 380 Boost in the mist colorway. I'm currently outside of my house. I want to shoot here because I want some vitamin D in me. Anyway, as you see on the title, this is the Adidas Yeezy Boost 380 in a mist colorway, and it's a non-reflective. The reflective of this pair dropped a couple weeks back, and I believe it's a Yeezy supply exclusive. This pair is essentially the same exact colorway without the 3M. This may be a limited pair of a sneaker, but not as much as the reflective, which was released a couple weeks back. This sneaker was released yesterday, March 25th. I hope you guys bought a pair since it was so easy to get it online. I only had one try and it transacted smoothly. So smooth that I purchased two pairs. I don't know why, I just like it. So technically, this is the third version of the 380, and out of the three pairs that they released, this is the only one that I've got. So with that all being said, let's go unbox this Adidas Yeezy 380 Mist. And wow, I can't believe that almost everyone slept on this. So let's jump to the material of this. The upper is made up of primarily prime knit, but it's actually have a slight different feel and texture compared to 350's prime knit. It's thinner and lot less rough. This is a very interesting colorway. It got tans or super light oranges color, you got light browns. Overall, I love the colorway and the new silhouette. The stripe of the sneaker is made out of a plastic mesh, and it looks more organic compared to the 350 V2. And this is a very interesting detail. The plastic mesh contains a tan color or orange that woven directly to the prime knit. Same goes to the outer side of the sneaker, and it got some small holes in it. This is actually nice because it will provide you more breathing in your feet. Right off the top of the ankle, Adidas and Yeezy decided to change things up with a brand new sock-like ankle collar. So you need to slide down your foot, and I don't know for you guys, I think it will be hard for me to wear this since you need to grab both ends and stretch it. I have a wide fit just for you guys know, but not all of us have the same fit. I think this will perfectly fit to the most of you. Moving inside of the sneaker, your foot is pretty much just up against inside the raw prime knit, except for the heel area. It got padded white sock liner. The inside of the shoe comes along with the sail white and an Adidas and Yeezy branding print in black. Moving at the back of the sneaker, we have this super plain heel area with plain prime knit running on this area. And on the side, you will have this extremely smooth and matte semi-translucent midsole. As you can see through this rubber, you actually get a full length Boost midsole, which does have slightly more boost than the Yeezy 350s. So definitely this provides more comfort on your feet. What makes it more comfortable than the 350s? This heel sweep up. It actually allows you to walk naturally with the shoe. Moving on to the bottom of the sneaker, we got the semi-translucent dark gum outsole. You will see a pretty organic shape cuts out through the boost. We got this interesting pattern that I think it provides more grip than 350 V2s. So, that's about it. I hope you enjoy my review, guys. Keep supporting me by watching my videos. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe now and please give my videos a thumbs up. I haven't know what and when is the next release, but I'll do my best to cover it and unbox for you guys. So again, say by the way, hope to see you on my next unboxing. Let's go!